Comfort outdoors matters when relaxing by the fire, at the beach, or under the stars after a long day. Best reclining camping chairs combine support, portability, and adjustable lounging positions to turn any campsite into a true rest zone experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Suteck Zero Gravity Reclining Chair. The Suteck Zero Gravity Reclining Chair is built for campers who prioritize full body relaxation and heavy-duty reliability. Designed with an oversized frame and reinforced 40mm steel tubing, this chair delivers exceptional stability and a high weight capacity that makes it suitable for a wide range of users. The upgraded Texlin fabric, combined with breathable mesh and double elastic straps, creates a supportive yet flexible seating surface that remains comfortable during extended outdoor use. Its standout feature is the upgraded aluminum alloy locking system, which allows smooth adjustment from an upright 90-degree position to a near-flat 170-degree recline. Once locked, the deep-grooved mechanism holds firmly in place, minimizing shifting or sudden movement. The true zero-gravity angle elevates the body to reduce pressure on the spine, shoulders, and lower back, promoting deep relaxation, whether lounging at a campsite or on a patio. A removable cushion and adjustable headrest enhance comfort further, making it suitable for napping or long rest periods. Overall, this chair combines durability, ergonomic support, and flexible reclining performance, making it a dependable option for camping, backyard use, or extended outdoor relaxation sessions. Number 2. Portal 400 Pounds Reclining Chair. The Portal 400 Pounds Reclining Chair is designed for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who value upright support with the option to recline comfortably. Its ergonomic design includes adjustable lumbar support straps that contour to the natural curve of the spine, helping reduce fatigue during long sitting sessions. The tall 28-inch high back provides excellent shoulder and upper back support, making it ideal for activities such as sports viewing, campfire gatherings, or outdoor events. Built with high-density polyester fabric and a thick-walled steel frame, the chair offers a reliable 400-pound weight capacity without feeling bulky or unstable. Hard armrests and a higher seat profile make sitting down and standing up easier, which is especially beneficial during frequent use. Despite its robust build, the chair remains highly portable, folding down quickly into a compact bundle. The included carrying bag and integrated shoulder strap allow for easy transport without extra packing steps. Overall, this chair balances strength, comfort, and convenience, making it a solid choice for users who want dependable support and easy mobility for camping, concerts, or outdoor sports activities. Number 3. Ever Advanced 350 Pounds Reclining Chair. The Ever Advanced 350 Pounds Reclining Chair offers a practical blend of comfort, adjustability, and portability for campers seeking reliable relaxation. Its 4-position adjustable backrest allows users to shift between upright and recline positions up to 120 degrees, making it suitable for reading, resting, or light napping. The reinforced back support bar enhances overall stability and comfort during extended use. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and a triangular structure, the chair is designed to support up to 350 pounds while maintaining balance on various outdoor surfaces. The dual-layer 300D polyester fabric with light cotton padding provides breathable comfort without excessive bulk. Practical features, such as a built-in cup holder and side storage pocket, keep essentials within easy reach. Firm armrests contribute to easier sitting and standing, offering added confidence for users who prefer stable support. When it is time to pack up, the chair folds down quickly into a compact size and fits neatly into the included carry bag. This model is well-suited for camping, picnics, and travel, where comfort and portability are equally important. Number 4. POEPORE Cushion Reclining Chair. The POEPORE Cushion Reclining Chair is designed for users who want adjustable comfort in a lightweight, travel-friendly format. Featuring a 4-position adjustable backrest, the chair supports both the back and legs, allowing users to customize their seating or reclining angle with ease. Additional comfort elements such as a removable sponge pillow, cotton pad, and optional footrest provide flexibility for different relaxation preferences. The stainless steel frame offers dependable strength, supporting up to 264 pounds while remaining corrosion-resistant for outdoor environments. Breathable mesh and wear-resistant fabric help regulate airflow, keeping the user cool during warm weather use. Despite its sturdy construction, the chair remains highly portable, folding into a compact shape that fits easily into the included carrying bag. Setup and takedown take only seconds, making it convenient for camping, beach trips, or casual outdoor lounging. Practical additions like a cup holder and side pocket enhance usability by keeping drinks and personal items secure and accessible. Overall, this chair delivers a balanced mix of comfort, adjustability, and portability for relaxed out. Number 5. WEJOY Folding Reclining Chair. The WEJOY Folding Reclining Chair is built to provide versatile comfort for a variety of outdoor relaxation needs. Its 4-position adjustable backrest allows users to sit upright, recline partially, or lie back for rest, adapting easily to different activities. A key highlight is the detachable footrest, which transforms the chair from a standard armchair into a full reclining lounger, offering additional leg support when desired. Comfort is further enhanced by a cushioned pillow, supportive armrests, and a stable triangular frame design that promotes balance on uneven ground. Anti-slip foot covers improve safety and stability during use. The chair also includes practical features such as a cup holder and storage bag, helping users keep essentials close without clutter. Designed for easy folding and transport, it is suitable for camping trips, outdoor events, or backyard relaxation. Overall, the WEJOY Folding Reclining Chair stands out for its adaptability and thoughtful, comfort-focused design, making it a flexible option for those who want one chair to handle multiple outdoor lounging scenarios. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.